Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I went out to my front porch because my order from Amazon came in because I ordered these things. Got out there and there's this box and I'm like, what? And it's addressed to me. And last week, I don't know if you guys watched my video last week because nobody's answered me. So I'll show it again real quick. I love it. Whoops, I'm dropping things. I've used it off and on. You know, I just cleaned it yesterday. As I got paint on it already from just working on my thing today. Was this. Okay, and I have the cup right here. And this is a paint tray, which is cool. And I don't know who gave it to me. Matter of fact, I thought maybe Dawn did. And you two messed up and didn't send a slip. There was no slip, no nothing. Matter of fact, this came today with a note. A gift for you. Happy birthday, Messy Tina from Miss America, aka Dawn. Dawn has been my friend, my longest friend that I have met off of YouTube. She always sends me something for my birthday. This is cool because I actually opened this on me and Sabrina's live, but she deserves a video on itself because this thing's awesome. It took me a minute to figure this out. I love this. Xavier's got one similar, kind of, not, can change the holidays on it for a housewarming present from their realtor. It says, welcome to our house. I love cows. You get a set of glasses, and a bowl that matches. See, that's the fall one. Here's the winter one. I had to put the magnets on. They weren't tough enough to go through the back, so that's what I'm assuming. It didn't like come with directions. And here's the Christmas one. That's so cool. And Halloween. Oh, here we'll put. Here's St. Patrick's Day. Boom. I love it. It's so cool. I can't wait to put it on my board. And this must be just summer. Because it's like ice cream. Yeah, hello, summer. Easter eggs. That'd be the next one to go up. Yep, see, there's summer. 4th of July. Oh, here's Easter. That must go. Maybe there's, because I see the bunny. There's Easter eggs on that. Here's leaves. Okay, here is. Yep. Here's Halloween glasses, turkey glasses. Let me flip the glasses over. So we got like Mardi Gras, graduation. Cool. This is so cool. I'll be changing this every month. You watch and see. Oh, here's Easter eggs right there. So this is just like spring because the glasses match. Okay, so that's spring. There's a little bunny down there. And we have football. Too bad it wasn't green and gold. We have X's and O's for Valentine's Day. Halloween. And turkey. The eyeballs are turkey. And just black and white. This is so cool. So the next holiday would be Easter. But I wouldn't put that in. I'll just leave St. Patrick on until the end of March. I gotta find, you know what? I know what I'm gonna put these in. Another birthday gift. Sabrina got me these envelopes. That's what I'm gonna stick these in and put it in my drawer in my kitchen. Because this is gonna hang on my back door. Or I could hang on my front. I haven't decided. Front or back? You guys let me know in the comments. I think my front door. People would see it. I think I use my front door. It's so cool. Oh, damn. Perfect. And they are all together and it snaps shut. Cool. So there we go. Welcome to our home. Bow. I like how the tongue's out. And a little tag in its ear. That's why I decided to put the bow on this side, because it blocked the tag and I wanted to see the tag. You didn't have to see if you can pick these up. He has eyeballs. But the magnets weren't strong to go through the back. I tried on the other video. So thank you, Dawn. I love it. This is quite a surprise today. I wasn't expecting. I don't expect anything. I love Dawn. Her and I call each other on the phone, and 5 hours could go by. Scott says that one time. I was talking to her, and he went upstairs and came down like 4 hours later, and Dawn and I he's like, who are you talking to? I'm like, Dawn. Because it's not like Dawn and I call each other daily or weekly. We'll call each other once in a while. I'd say, let me try, maybe every 3 months. She'll come in my live with them. I'll call her. She'll call me, and we end up like talking for 3 hours, like filling each other in about what's going on. But she is actually my longest friend on YouTube that I met from YouTube, and she's probably the one person that I could call today and say I need to talk to somebody. I need to talk to somebody. I need your advice. Who's going to tell you like it is, and you take it or you don't. There's no judgment. I could tell her, yeah. And she don't run off to anybody else and tell her what I said either. She's that's why I trust her. So thank you so much, Dawn. I love it. I'm going to go hang it up right now. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And again, thank you once again to Dawn and Sabrina for my birthday present and Anonymous. Bye, everybody.